She claimed she just wanted free breakfast for her cousin. How did that end in a physical arrest? On May 5th, 2024, officers responded to a commercial hotel after management reported an unwanted guest causing chaos. Staff reported the woman put dirty shoes on dining tables, shattered glass candle holders, and hurled breakfast food.
Put it down. Stop.
Okay,
Put it down.
Okay,
Put it down.
Stop.
Stop.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Stop.
I'm not doing anything extra.
Stop.
I had a cousin who had a
Stop.
Okay, I'm not doing anything extra. That's fine. That's fine.
Okay, so I'm saying one thing.
I had a cousin who had an extra, and my cousin doing that. I didn't do nothing extra. That's fine. All I asked was to do was get my breakfast for my cousin.
What did you piss?
Yeah.
That's great. All over me? That's cool.
I'm sorry. I didn't intentionally do anything.
Let's go.
Okay.
We're walking.
I'm not. I would leave. I don't have no intention to do anything extra. My cousin had a.
Dude,
No, I'm telling you. I had a cousin.
I don't want to hear what you're saying. You just pissed all over me. What are you doing?
I'll leave willingly. I'll leave willingly.
Oh, you had your opportunity.
No, willingly. I had a room. My cousin had a room here. So if my cousin had a room in 312, I'll leave. I'm telling you. I'm telling y'all. I will leave willingly.
Just stop talking.
Okay, that's fine.
You're done. You're going to jail.
Okay, I'm telling y'all.
You're going to jail. You're done.
I don't want to have no problems.
Theft, right here, you're stealing shit.
What did I steal?
That.
I didn't know.
Oh, yeah? Well, you're going to fucking jail.
Communication. No, I'm.
Stop moving.
Okay, I will.
Stop resisting.
Okay.
Stop moving.
Okay.
Release this. Stop.
I'm not having no. I'm not pulling anything. I have my hands open fully. I'm telling y'all, I will leave. I will leave. I will leave willingly. I will leave willingly. My cousin had a room, but I would. If my cousin's room is not acceptable, I will leave willingly. Please.
No, you're stealing.
I don't have no problem. I'm telling
you.
you.
Pissed all over both of us.
It wasn't intentionally. It was
what
not.
What are you doing?
It was not intentionally. I'm going to let you know. Off bat, my cousin had a room in 312. Okay, she does not have that room with me. Okay, I will leave. I will leave.
I got hurt.
No, listen. Yeah. My hands are free. I'm not trying to put anything on you.
Go over there. And
I'll leave.
The urinate on 710 and I, so we need to go get cleaned up.
Okay. Okay. If I cannot, I will leave. I will leave. I have no problem. I have no problem.
You are going to jail. Okay.
Okay. I understand. All I want to say is that.
What is your name?
I'm trying to talk to you. I will leave. Y'all, this is my hands. Free will. Free will. Y'all have my hands. Y'all have my hands. I'm willing to talk to y'all. Please do. Please. My cousin said.
I have nothing to, I don't want to talk to you.
My cousin
I don't want to talk to you.
My cousin said, come to breakfast. I said, okay, cool. I'm coming. I have nothing willing. And y'all can come. Y'all can take my coming.
Thank you.
Okay. I'm telling y'all.
Okay.
No, listen. I have nothing willing.
You're going to jail. You're going to jail for battery. That's what you're going to jail for.
What did I do?
You're throwing shit at her.
I didn't hit anything with her.
You're throwing shit at her. You're going to go to jail for battery.
I didn't hit her.
I'm done with you. Stop talking.
I didn't hit her with anything.
You got any needles on you? Where are they at?
I would like to talk to you.
Where are the needles?
Don't relax.
Where are the needles?
I have no needles. I have no needles.
Look at my freaking leg.
Okay.
What the heck is wrong with you?
And I apologize because I don't like jail. So
where you're going?
Stop pulling.
I'm not pulling.
Just get up against the
I'm
car.
not pulling at all. I'm not pulling at all.
Got weed dropping on the floor. Got weed out of your pocket.
I have no weed.
Yep. No.
And if that
what
is my
this?
no,
what
that's
is
my
this?
friends. My friends put that in there.
No.
Not
your
jacket.
Yeah.
Yeah, before I put the jeans. And
Okay.
I have no honest telling the truth to you because this is what I have. I have no problem telling the truth to you. I have no problem telling the truth to you. My friend lives down the street. I have no problem telling the truth to you. I'm going to jail still, right?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I have no problem telling the truth. I'm 21 years old. I am old enough, and
To know not to piss on people.
I didn't intentionally do so.
Go for it.
I did not intentionally do so. Okay? I did not intentionally do so. I did not intentionally do anything on anyone.
Stop talking.
You got something in
You're
this
done.
back pocket.
I have no intention towards anyone. Okay, what do I have?
Do you have any needles on you? Because
No.
I get poked, I'm really gonna be pissed.
I have no needles. I have no needles. I just want to talk. I just want to respectfully
I'm
talk.
done talking.
And you didn't even try to talk to me.
Get in the car.
You didn't even try
Get in
to...
the car.
Okay. Okay.
Get in the car.
Okay.
Sit back.
Okay. I have no problem talking to y'all. Can y'all please talk to me?
Watch out. Let me get it.
I have no problem to you. It's okay. I just want to talk to y'all. Can y'all please talk to me?
Can you just sit down in the car?
Intoxicated
Why are y'all
talk.
so mad at me?
Because you peed on us.
I did not intentionally.
Sit down.
It was nothing
Sit down.
intentional.
Sit down.
I didn't intentionally pee on you. It was nothing intentional.
I'm going to go to the other side.
It was nothing intentional, please. Hear me when I say. It was nothing intentional. Nothing intentional. Can y'all please talk to me?
No.
Okay.
Under Terry v. Ohio, the manager's verified report gave officers reasonable suspicion to detain her. When officers initiated an escort, she repeatedly said she would leave. She was actively pulling away. During the physical struggle, the encounter escalated when the subject urinated on both officers. Can involuntary discharge of bodily fluids during an arrest be charged as felony battery on a law enforcement officer? Under state criminal law, battery requires intentional touching. Panic-driven physiological acts typically lack the specific intent required. Under Graham v. Connor, force is judged by objective reasonableness, based on severity, immediate threat, and active resistance. Because the subject braced and resisted commands, officers lawfully used empty-hand wall stabilization techniques. A search incident to lawful arrest uncovered suspected marijuana that fell from her jacket pocket outside the hotel lobby.
I just want to get some quick information from you and a statement. So did she batter you at all? What did she do today?
She just came in and she grabbed stuff. She asked if we had cameras. I said, no, we don't have cameras. She said, yeah, you do. You the bitch, you got cameras. You trying to make sure that I hit you before I leave out of here. So she had her plate. She come over here. She's still talking. She got her phone in my face. I pushed her hand. I said, you in my, I don't mind you filming, but you in my personal space. That's too close. So she go over here. A guy trying to talk to her, tell her, just go ahead. You got your breakfast. Just leave. She drops the plate. She had a candle from over there. She breaks it. All the stuff fly. There's still pieces over here.
Okay. Did she hit you with anything like that?
No, she did.
Okay. And how long has she been here?
I can see her come in the morning right before breakfast. She came in, you see how dirty her bottom of her shoes are, put them on our table, and went to sleep. The breakfast attendant came and told me that the girl had her feet on the table. So I went over there, ma'am, could you take your feet down? She went back to sleep. So I pulled the table from under her legs. She woke up, she said, I'm being disrespectful. I said, you're being disrespectful, you got your feet on our table. People have to eat on this table. I just want to eat. I said, do you have a reservation here? She said, I do. I said, what's the room number? She couldn't give me a room number. She said, she said she's going to call somebody and find out what the room number was. She never did.
Respectful thing.
Lean
Please.
back. Lean back.
Can you please?
Lean back. Lean back.
I'm respectfully leaning back. I'm asking.
Get out of the car.
Okay, thank you. I'm telling you, please respect the decision that I have made. That my cousin have not. My cousin asked me. Please, can you respectfully get the breakfast? I was going to get breakfast respectfully.
We're going over here.
Okay, I'm letting you know I have not respectfully done anything. My cousin told me to get breakfast for y'all. Can I get breakfast for my cousin?
Nope.
Please.
Get in the car.
I respectfully was trying to get breakfast for my. I did not try to intentionally pee.
Sit down. I'm not doing this. Sit down.
Please, sir, can you understand?
No, you threw eggs. You threw stuff. There's glass all over the place in there.
I have not thrown
You fought
no
with
glass.
us. You pissed on me. Sit down.
No, I have
Sit
not.
down.
I have not.
Sit down.
Okay, but I'm letting you know, I peed and it was not intentional.
I don't care. Sit down. Get
Okay,
back. I'll
I'm
get
not-
your shoe. Just sit down in the car.
I'm telling you, I have not respectfully done anything wrong. I peed out of scared.
We got 3 seconds to sit back in that seat.
Okay, please. Please, sir. I just want you to respectfully
Hold that.
understand.
I'm
I
gonna go to the
peed
side.
out of scaredness. Please. I won't go back.
Stop moving.
I'm not
Look,
moving.
listen to me right now.
I know I'm no breakfast for
Listen
days.
to me right now. Listen to me right now. You have pee all over you. I do not want any more pee on me.
Please.
So you better act right, okay?
Please, okay.
You're gonna get up out of the car and you're not gonna move.
I'm not
Get
gonna
up.
come back.
Get up. Get up.
Please, I just want to have breakfast for the day.
We're gonna get you breakfast.
I don't want to come back, please. I just
Stop.
want to breakfast.
Over
I'm
here.
not trying to pee. I don't want to go.
Have a seat. Have a seat, please.
I just want to have breakfast for the day. My cousin said I can come.
We'll get you some
Okay, I
breakfast.
can. Okay, I'm sorry. I won't come back.
Get in.
Please, I won't come back, please.
Get in the car.
Okay. I had a long day. Oh, my fear. Please, I won't come back. I won't. Please. I understand.
Sit back. Sit back. Sit back.
Please, I
Sit back.
understand. My
Sit
cousin
back.
said I can come get
Sit back.
my
Well, your cousin lied to you. Sit back.
Sit back.
Please. Please, I just want to have breakfast. I don't want to be mean to nobody.
No, that's too
Please.
late.
Please, I'll apologize. Please.
Stop yelling in his ear.
Please, I'll apologize.
Her refusal to leave private commercial property after lawful warnings met the statutory elements of criminal trespass. Shattering hotel fixtures established independent probable cause for criminal mischief and property damage charges. The subject was formally booked for resisting arrest without violence, criminal mischief, and commercial trespass. Problem learned. Saying you'll comply means little if your body actively resists lawful commands on commercial property. What are your thoughts on the officer's restraint during this struggle? Tell us below and remember to subscribe.